Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com and it's time for another product quick view. Let's get to it. Hey, today we're taking a look at the UniCam High Performance Installation Toolkit 2, part number TKT-UNICAM-PFC2. Let's go ahead and crack the case open. It's a nice case, I do like it. And inside this case, number one, you have the tool that crimps the unicams properly. Close the cams actually inside of them. And you have, this will do the LC, the SC, and the ST as you can see there. And you have your 250-900 on the bottom. You can make sure, with this tool you'll make sure that you have it crimped and everything's, the glass is inside the connector proper. You also have one of the LCD screens right there. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Now this screen will also give you some, it'll remind you if you forget how to do this, how to do step-by-step properly for your unicams. I could see this being great for maintenance repair type of maintenance departments that do it from time to time. So there's a look at it there. Now next you have a pair of snips. Now this toolkit was developed to reduce the amount of time required to terminate a single connector and to provide operational feedback and guidance throughout the termination process. Includes a Sharpie, that'll come in real handy. And here are the strippers that are also included. It strips the 250 to 900, the largest size. That comes in handy for the loose tube when you got to cut that off. Now with this kit, it'll do on average, it's about 45% faster than the previous toolkit. You have your wipes right there. You want to go ahead and keep that handy. Make sure everything's clean. You got your cleaning fluid right here. Now dirt is one of the most common problems of fiber, so go ahead and make sure everything's nice and clean. Now this is your flat cleaver. Now this is a handheld cleaver. It's a precision cleaver. Now this enables easy installation of the UniCam connectors. And this cleaver provides consistent cleaves regardless of operator skill level. It uses a dual clamp for precision and a diamond blade for superior cleaving. Let's go ahead and crack it open so you can get a good look and see what's going on in there. There you go. Go ahead and flip that around, do the other size. And this handheld cleaver does not require a work surface in order to perform precision cleaves. So that's a nice plus right there. And you also have the other part that attaches to it. And this piece attaches to that part we just saw to go ahead and do the fan out kit. There we go. Now, number 10, you're thinking, what the heck's going on in here? Well, I'll tell you what's going on in there. You have your Crep Tool. This will crimp the ring at the bottom of the UniCam connector. There's a good look at it. And you also have a nice little measuring chart included on the case. Inside, underneath the cleaver, you'll see there's instructions to help remind you. You'll see there's number 15 right there with the little video. And underneath the other tool, there's steps to remind you. And there's a number 14 right there to remind you. You might be thinking, what's going on there? We'll get to that in a little bit. Now, what else is in the case? You'll have your nice card that's 2 size here. That'll help. You want to go ahead and strip everything, make sure everything's measured properly with this card. And then you also have some safety, you have the safety data sheet for the prep fluid. And you also have the cleaning sticks for the 250 size and for the 900. Remember, keep everything clean. Dirt is the most common problem with fiber. You get a little speck of something on a connector, you'll be pulling your hair out. So there you go. And you also have the canister there that you go ahead and put that to the side of the case, and you want to go ahead and put your trash. Any loose ends with the fiber, go ahead and toss it in there. What else is in here? This is the other monitor, the 7-inch. And you want to go ahead and set that back in the case. It also comes with some plastic flexible. Put that in front so it helps keep it secure and strong in your case. And you want to go ahead and turn this on. Let's see what's going on. What's this thing all about? Don't forget safety. Number one, make sure you wear your glasses, goggles. Step-by-step videos, fantastic. You want to go ahead and press next, it'll take you to video 1. You press next, it'll take you to video 2. There you go. There are the glasses I just mentioned. I wish they would have threw a pair of those in the case, but fantastic. You can go ahead and pause whenever you want. When you want to see something, press play again. You can rewind the video after you see it and press next for the next one, next for the next one, and so on and so forth. It's a great kit. It's their top-of-the-line kit. Now we do have these in stock. We also do have the other Corning kits available. And well, of course we do have the connectors. And we also have other brands of Corning, other brands of toolkits available. For more detailed spec sheet and to order online, visit DiscountLowVoltage.com.